you. Thank you. Ganito pala dito. Ikaw naman, Rose. Thank you, Panji. Ay, it's a big job. It's a big party.
Panji.
So, naman, marami.
Panji.
Kasi, check, gusto kong okay lang po i-share. Kasi nung pagdating ko na, I love you po, maraming salamat. Nung pagdating ko kasi namin dito, sila po yung dahil lang si Kuya Boy, nag-explore. So, nag-gigos na sa part, sinabi ko sa akin na mga ganun-ganun daw. Hindi ko naman alam. Siyempre, hindi ko pa na-experience mga ganun sa nakakatuwa. And thank you. Thank you to this. I must thank you po. Thank you so much. And thank you for Panji. You will be singing with us. This next song I would like to share with everybody is very, very special to me. And I am very, very happy because although it's not my first time here in Japan, it is my first time to be able to. And of course, Mr. Kawashima Sacho, thank you so much. Thank you,
Panji. Panji.
It's clapping.
Thank you. Panji.
No, he didn't even eat bread, so I don't think he's gonna throw up. Oh! Did you see my... People always mistake that I don't speak English, but actually I can. Most of my friends are foreign, so I can cope. Oh! I mean, can cope. I love it. I love it.
Hi, Panji, Panji.
This is two, right? Hi, Panji, though.
I have a cat. Panji, Panji.
Hey, Panji, but the camera is... Hey, Panji. Asia's Phoenix. Asia's...
Panji. Oh, man. You have now your other now. We won't point it.
Panji.
I like...
Nakakadami ko.
Oh! Happy birthday!
Birthday ko na
Happy birthday. Nakakadami na ha?
birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
For the 7th na kalaiban.
Wow, happy birthday!
Hanggang
Happy
Nagoya yan,
birthday.
excuse me. Hanggang Nagoya yan, excuse me.
Hanggang Nagoya. Hanggang Pilipinas na ba?